What's up, guys? Isn't that what all the YouTubers say? What's up, guys? No. Coming to you live from the backyard. I am here to say hello again and draw with you. Today we're going to do something super simple, super quick. All you need is a ballpoint pen, maybe a Sharpie, maybe a sketchbook, or any kind of paper that you have. And we're going to do this activity that's kind of like contour drawing, but not exactly. We're going to do this. See that crazy drawing? I never picked my pen up. So I made a face, which I don't really like actually, because she has really weirdly large eyes. And I never picked my pen up, okay? So that's what we're gonna do today. If you have someone that you can draw by looking at them, that would be even better than just drawing with from your imagination. The only rule for this is you draw what you see and you don't lift your pen, okay? So this is how it goes. Ready? The only thing I can't do is pick up my pen. So first I just start drawing. And the thing is that I don't want to get too worried. What's so great about this activity is that I don't worry about mistakes. There's no such thing as a mistake because you're using everything that you have to learn what you're seeing. That is such a simple activity to get you to not think, to not judge. You know how personally I love erasers because I love that tool for mark making that we put something down and then we take it away. But you know what I love more is not being like so hung up on making a perfect thing. And so not having masterpiece syndrome. That's what I call when we think everything has to go into the museum and nothing can just be play. So this is definitely not going in a museum, but I don't think she is. It just sort of turned out to be that way. But the point is, I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna make 10 more of these and I'll see what happens. Maybe try looking at people that are in your family, people, your friends, even if they're on FaceTime. See if you can draw them from observation and have fun. Don't think, just go. Art class is in.